Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I use my Reedle Shot along with my skincare. So first thing first, I always cleanse my face and I generally use my favorite cleanser from COSRX. So it's a hydrating cleanser and it's perfect for somebody with dry and dehydrated skin. Next, I'm just going to take my Reedle Shot. So I'm just using Reedle Shot 100 to begin with. So in case if you're using Reedle Shot for the first time, I would say start with a 50 because probably your skin is not used to that tingling effect. So it's always better to gradually increase the shot level, but always start with 50. If you ask me, I tried a 300 also and I felt completely normal. I didn't feel a thing because I've actually done microneedling earlier with Cosmoderma Clinic, and there they gave me a shot like 4 deep shot. So that was quite quite painful, of course. So we started with 1, then they went to 2.5 to 3, and the last was 4 mm. So comparatively, I feel Reedle Shot is very much mild for me. So everybody has their own threshold when it comes to bearing a pain. So according to me, I feel 300 was still okay for me. So 100 is certainly very mild for me. But I gradually want to increase the shot. I just don't want to quickly jump to another level. So in case if you're using Reedle Shot for the first time, I would say start with the 50 if it's available, or you can start with the 100 also. And I would advise take a patch test before. Don't just jump to the product directly, and also talk to your doctor or consult with your doctor and ask her if it's okay to take Reedle Shot. So don't do it without any research and consultation. Yeah. So this is my Reedle Shot, and it has Sika readers. So this is how it looks like, and I'm just gonna take few pumps, just like 3 to 4, not more than that. And I'm just gonna apply around my chin area. And now I'm gonna apply all over my face. Not literally all of my face, but especially wherever I feel there are scars, because you have to avoid certain areas as well, like the nose, under the eyes, and above the lips. Those are very sensitive areas and you don't want to risk it. So I'm not going to apply all of my face, but just where I feel there is scarring. So just going to go on those areas, and now I'm just going to make sure I massage it gently. Don't be very vigorous, be very gentle while you're massaging. This has to penetrate inside your skin and it will gradually open the pores. So that makes skincare penetrate deeper into your skin, and it gives you effective results as well. So I'm just going to wait for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes to make sure that the product has gone very well into my skin. Alright, so now my skin is ready for skincare. So first thing first, I'm just going to spray a little bit of rose water mist all around my face. So this is from the brand Karma. The reason is because Sika Reedle, they make your skin slightly sensitive and you might feel a little bit of tingling effect. So just to calm that down, it's advisable to use a rose water or any face mist which has more hydrating properties, like your hyaluronic acid or niacinamide, something which goes very well with your skin. So I'm using this one, the rose water mist from Karma Ayurveda. I'm just going to spray all over my face. So the next face mist which I'm going to be spraying all over my face is from the brand Plum. Well, this has rice water and niacinamide extracts, and this works really well for my kind of a skin because my skin has very mild acne scars and sometimes it becomes a little oily around the T-zone. So this face mist, it works wonders for me. So I'm just going to spray all over my face. I'm just going to leave a link of all the products that I'm using in the description box below. So in case if you guys want to check it out, most of the products are available on Nykaa, but the Reedle Shot is available on Amazon. So you just guys can check it out for yourself. And in case if you have any doubts, please do let me know. I'll be happy to help you guys. So my skin feels much more moisture and hydrated right now. The next step is I'm going to apply a few drops of retinol from the brand Ordinary all around my face. So retinol is basically an active ingredient, so you have to make sure that you don't just jump to the higher percentage immediately. Always start with 0.5. The one which I'm using obviously has 0.5 with Squalane. So I'm just going to take a pump and I'm just going to go like few drops around my face. So this is more like oil based. You have to wait it out for a while so that it quickly absorbs into your skin. So you have to give it like a gentle massage and make sure it gets absorbed in your skin. Also guys, following a dedicated skincare routine is very mandatory. But before that, what I would like to say is let your doctor know your skin type and your skin issues, and let your doctor give you a dedicated skincare routine. From my personal experience, what I would like to say is these days a lot of people just randomly recommend products, and they completely give you a lot of hopes. They talk very big about a product and they just say, oh, just use this, I know this is great. It's okay to hear from them, it's okay to hear that kind of a feedback, but always understand that you cannot risk your skin, you cannot risk your hair. So whatever anybody says, just do not pick the products randomly from online and just start using. Don't ever do that. Because recently in my profession, I've seen that people just keep giving advices. Do this kind of a skincare, do that kind of a facial or a chemical peel, this and that. It's okay to give advices and suggestions, but you cannot force somebody to do a particular procedure, or you cannot force somebody to use a particular product, because end of the day it is skin and you don't want to jeopardize that. So it's okay to listen to people, but I would advise always go visit your doctor and let your doctor know what you are using, because it is skin and you cannot jeopardize that at all. And in case if you have major skin issues, like for example, I had cystic acne and then I had acne scars also, and I had to go through various treatments. Right now also I wouldn't say I've healed 100%, but it's obviously way better. I'm just taking care of my skin really well, and again I think I have to do a few more treatments as well. So it's better to do and take, better to do such treatments obviously with a doctor and take her advices. Now the retinol is actually nicely absorbed into my skin. Next I'm going to layer my skin with niacinamide. So usually niacinamide I always pair it up with CeraVe moisturizing lotion. You can always use niacinamide along with snail mucin as well, because this is the way I usually use niacinamide. I feel niacinamide is kind of an active ingredient, so it's better to pair it up with something and then apply it on your skin. So the choice is snail mucin or maybe a moisturizing lotion, however you guys feel comfortable, or probably it could be with a serum also. So anyway, it's fine. So niacinamide works wonders for acne scars. Trust me guys, let me share something about my acne story. So I had very bad cystic acne. Even when I was growing up as a child, in my teenage and obviously in my 20s, I had very crazy acne around my skin. And that actually made me very conscious. My self-esteems were low, and I never felt good about myself. But after that, obviously, there was one fine day I thought I have to get it treated, and then I went for my treatment. So I got rid of cystic acne, but however, I couldn't get rid of the scars until I did micro needling recently this year, in the beginning of this year. But still, despite doing micro needling, a lot of aftercare comes along with it. So you really have to make sure that you're doing regular skincare. You're adding ingredients which are necessary for your acne scars, which will work very well for your acne scars, and niacinamide is one among them. But whatever said and done, I'm just sharing my experience, and whatever I feel is great for my skin. But my advice to all of you is, before starting any active ingredient or before doing any skincare, always go and visit your doctor. Don't get carried away with anything which is available on the internet. It's good to do your research, good to read the feedback and review, but always make sure that you're consulting your doctor also. So yes, now I'm done with applying niacinamide layer with CeraVe moisturizing lotion. The next is I'm going to apply a night cream by Laneige. So this is like the bouncy and firm Laneige moisturizing sleeping mask. Since I have dry and dehydrated skin, that's the reason I layer my skin with a lot of moisturizers. So in case if you want to skip like CeraVe, you can just directly jump to Laneige as well. But my skin being my skin which is super dry and dehydrated, I have to really layer it with a lot of moisturizers and serums and sometimes hyaluronic acid as well. So this moisturizer is really lightweight and it absorbs very quickly into the skin, and the glow that you get the next morning, it's incredible. So I just finished applying the lip sleeping mask from Laneige behind the camera. So right now I'm done with my skincare routine, and this is how I actually layered the Reedle Shot along with my skincare. I hope you found this video informative and quite interesting also. So in case if there's anything you would like to share, or probably you would like to know something about a particular product, I'm always here to help you out. But again, I would like to end the video by saying that always consult your doctor first. And with that being said, I'm just signing off right now, and I shall see you all really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.